Hi, and thanks for purchasing a Dynabrade air tool. Before you get to work, let's go over a few basic maintenance points that can help in your Dynabrade tool running at its peak. The first thing we want to do is be sure that our Dynabrade air tool is getting adequate air volume and air pressure. All Dynabrade air tools are designed to reach their peak when receiving a consistent flow of air at 90 pounds of pressure. You can check air pressure by looking at your compressor, FRL, or by using an inline gauge like this one. Air pressure works hand in hand with the volume of air being delivered, which is specific to each tool group and can be found at dynabrade.com, on parts pages, or in our literature. The ID of your air hose plays a major role in the air volume delivered, so be sure to check that you're using the recommended size. Too small an ID can restrict airflow and cause your tool performance to suffer. Dynabrade recommends 3 types of lubrication for Dynabrade tools. We have our air lube, gear oil, and gear grease. All Dynabrade tools require air lube. Manually, we recommend 3 to 4 drops 4 times a day. However, the best way to do it is with a filter regulator lubricator, or FRL, which will help ensure clean, lubricated air will reach your air tool at the proper volume and pressure. Other types of lubricants used with Dynabrade tools are gear oil and gear grease. Gear oil is used on any right-angle tool. The gear oil ensures that the gears mesh properly. Gear oil should be applied for every 8 hours of runtime. Gear grease is used with any of our planetary geared tools that run slower with a lot of torque. These include our Dynastraights and Dynasures. This should be applied every 40 hours of runtime. Understanding and following these few guidelines will ensure that your Dynabrade tool runs at its peak performance through its life cycle.